Hey, it's Trevor here, and I've just spent quite a lot of time going through something called the Hidden Goldmine, just for you, and compiling all of the information into something that is going to be really useful for you if you actually want to make some money online. Now, before we get into that, I'd like to do something that would help me to help you. And that is ask you to go right now into the comments below this video if you're watching it on YouTube, and just let me know in the comments what you would like me to teach you in the future. Would you like me to teach you how to make money online with Amazon KDP? Would you like me to teach you to make money online leveraging AI rather than being scared of it or fighting against it, embracing it and making money from it? I think that's one of the best ideas personally, because people are worried about their jobs being taken, but you can use AI to take it back, right? To give you the power. So maybe something like that. Maybe you'd like me to teach you how to create PLR or pimp PLR, or maybe you'd like me to teach you how to create products and launch them on platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Just let me know in the comments below if you would, and I will read every single one of them and respond to every single one of them. So it's a way for you to help me to help you, okay? Now, moving on with the Hidden Goldmine. There's a lot of information in this program. The program is from my good friends James and Max, and they've tapped into a hidden market. Now, I want to give you a comparison, right? The marketplace that they've tapped into has got 123,000 products on it. The marketplace called ClickBank, which you might know, has got millions of products on it. All right, so that gives you a quick comparison there. And what they've done is they've managed to work out how to tap into this platform in a way that anybody starting from scratch can actually make money, and on several different levels. There's some clever stuff in here, but there is a lot of information because they've given you every single thing you need to know. So massive value here, massive value. But what I've done for you is I've gone and taken the content of all of their training videos. I've taken the transcripts, which is 24,065 words. I've got 59 pages here of transcript in tiny little writing. And I've taken all of that and I've used AI to create some incredible bonuses that will really help you to make money with this a lot faster. And those bonuses include 2 podcasts, a short podcast and a deep dive podcast, where they literally go through everything that's included in the whole course to get you to the point where you know what you've got to do with it to make money in a much shorter period of time. I think the longest podcast is probably only about 30 minutes. Let me take a look and find that on a deep dive.
Want to buy. And second, getting traffic, quality buyer traffic to actually see that product.
Yeah, the classic problem.
Exactly. And this system, because it leans so heavily on AI and this specific kind of under the radar.
Right, so that podcast is just over 36 minutes long, right? So perfect if you want to listen to it on your commute, or do what I do, which is while I'm mowing the lawn, cutting the grass, or I listen to it there. Or just wherever you listen to podcasts. 36 minutes will get you the whole Hidden Goldmine system condensed into a podcast that's easy to listen to so that you know exactly what you've got to do. All right, now I've also got for you, so we've got the audio podcast companion, we've got a video blueprint, I've got 2 videos for you that's going to take you through the whole system, again taken from all of that content, all right? And I've got a mind map and cheat sheets, plus I've got some other bonuses from Max from his previous launches. So I've got the AI lead automator, niche profit secrets, phantom mint, done for you social, instant crypto payday, revenue reset, GPT store exposed, and a lot more. So lots of bonuses there, but I don't want any of that to detract from the actual power of the Hidden Goldmine itself. So this is a fantastic way to make money. What I've done is I've given you some quick routes into it as bonuses that you can't find anywhere else. Now, most people get stuck because they think they need fancy websites and funnels and all that kind of stuff that has a steep learning curve, and all they want to do is make money, and they get started and then they can't get approved for products, and it's just like, oh, this is all too much, right? You probably have been there. I know I certainly have been there myself, and it's frustrating because you just want to get into the make money online thing, but you can't, right? Because it's all far too complicated. And that's where this comes in and makes it a lot easier. Now, this platform was processed over $1.6 billion. So we're not talking about a small platform. It's just wide open for you to take advantage because people aren't talking about it, but the opportunities are in there all the same. A few examples of what you can get inside. You can grab recurring affiliate links, all right, with automatic approval. So that takes away all that issue of like can't get approved by the vendor, got to reach out to the vendor and all that sort of stuff. So you're going to get recurring affiliate links instantly, no approvals needed, no websites needed, all right? So that's big kind of benefit number one. You're also going to learn inside the Hidden Goldmine how to create digital products using AI within minutes that you can sell and cash in with, and even how you can earn 15% in recurring commissions just by referring sellers. All right, so something completely different there as well. Really good stuff in here. It is probably one of the simplest ways that you can make money online today, for real, genuinely, as a complete newbie. All right, everything's covered in there, and you can go through the videos step by step. They've got them all laid out. They're short videos, they're simple videos, but as I said, what I've done is taken all of that content. I've spent a lot of time here today downloading all the transcripts from the entire thing and putting that into a podcast for you, putting that into some audio transcripts for you, some audio books for you, so you can listen, you can watch, and you can learn this whole thing much quicker and get started. And then of course you can go back to the main training, or you can do the main training and use my podcasts and my audios and my cheat sheets and mind maps and everything else, you know, whatever works for you. But this is going to give you absolutely everything you need to start making money online. It's a really exciting opportunity, and what I love about this is it's got my attention. So I've been doing this for a while now, as you probably know. I've done well over $3 million online in the Make Money Online industry, and what they're talking about in here has got my attention, and so I'm going to be giving this a go as well. So on that basis, I think you should definitely give this a try. Super cheap, incredible value, and I've got the best bonuses for you that you can imagine. So go ahead, click the link below this video to grab it through my link, and don't forget, please go ahead and comment. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, that would help. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, that would help. But in the comments below, just let me know, if I could teach you anything when it comes to making money online, what would it be? And would it be how to make money online with AI? Because I see a lot of this at the moment. I can feel that people are getting concerned about AI taking their jobs, and rightly so, because AI is going to take a lot of people's jobs without a shadow of a doubt. So why not learn a way that you can be prepared so that you can start making money from AI yourself? I can teach you that. If you'd like me to, just let me know in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Take care.